The research for our dimension is thinking about how education and training is necessary and provided for the workforce. Everyone knows that cybersecurity is a very technical subject in some ways, and yet it's clear that we can't solve all the problems technically. It's got to be about how people's jobs interact with the technology, how they get the security right in their everyday tasks. And so education applies right across the workforce, obviously, because more and more jobs really involve internet technologies at all sorts of levels. And so we're thinking about how that provision gets put in place for everyone from the school level up through university and professional education, right up to the board level and management kind of thinking. In cybersecurity, risks come from lots of places. We can have a brilliantly designed computer system, we can have brilliantly designed procedures in the organization, and yet it only takes one or two people to not follow them, or for the one or two mistakes in the design of those things to give rise to opportunities for thieves or worse people to come and steal company information, to perhaps disrupt the operation of an organization, to damage the provision of utilities and services, or even to disclose information, something like disclosing information to the stock market on the wrong day, doing bad things to a company's share price. So it falls to every individual in the organization to be aware of these risks and to make sure that their working procedures take account of them and adapt appropriately. Education needs to keep pace with cybersecurity needs because technologies keep changing and the behavior of the adversary, the enemy, the person who wants to break in and steal things or disrupt the business change as well. So whilst there are good educational programs going on in schools, there are good university awareness courses sometimes for students, there are good professional programs. They're not always entirely joined up. Sometimes people will get a repetitive message across those different pieces, whereas in fact they need a message that develops as their professional life develops, something that they can take on board and use in different parts of their life as they become necessary. And also we need educational programs that truly adapt to the changes in technology and anticipate ways of thinking about them, so that even when there's something new that nobody's thought of before as a problem, people know how to work around it in their everyday work, so that they can still get work done while the technology is being fixed or while people are thinking about a more long-term solution.